Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Windows Server 2016 on VMware Workstation 16 Pro. First up, I am creating one new virtual machine with the typical configuration. Click the next button. So now I am going to choose the installer disk image file, that is ISO file, which I have downloaded from Microsoft website. So I am choosing Windows Server 2016. You can see that Windows Server 2016 is detected. I will install this operating system later. So from drop down I am selecting Windows Server 2016. Click the next button. So now I am providing one name to this virtual machine. Next I am allocating some space to the hard drive and store it in the single file. Next I am going to customize the hardware. So I am increasing the memory size and allocating 4 CPUs, 4 CPU cores, and this virtualization engine parameters are optional. If you want, you can keep it. And once again I am choosing Windows Server 2016 for DVD. So next network adapter will be NAT, so that it will be connected to the internet. If any updates meant, it will be downloaded and installed automatically. So this is the summary of Windows Server 2016 settings. So now let us start installing Windows Server 2016, which is very easy. So while starting VMware for first time, it may ask for any software update like VMware tools for Windows to be installed. If it is ask means please install the VMware tools for Windows, so that it will fix all the guest related problems. So now you can see that installation screen arrived. So I am selecting Windows Server 2016 data center with the desktop experience. So accept the license agreement. Next I am selecting custom install. So I am going to newly create one drive. So I am going to use all the space. Only one drive only I have created. Click the next button. So installation is in progress now. Installation done. So now I am providing administrator password. So now I am going to log in to this Windows Server 2016 virtual machine now. So now I am going to provide the password. Yes, I am successfully logged in, but okay. So click the X button so that it will detect the network. So I can see that screen resolution is not getting adjusted automatically. See here, this is the default resolution. So if I try to change, that means screen will go garbled. Now I am going to install VMware tools. So this will insert the VMware disk in a DVD drive. You can see that VMware tools. So these are the VMware tools for Windows. Running the setup now. So this is the VMware tools. So I am choosing complete. Click the next button. Yes, you can see that while installing itself, you can see that screen resolution is getting adjusted automatically. So VMware tools setup is done now. So I am restarting the Windows Server 2016 virtual machine now. So after restart, I am going to check copy paste and drag and drop feature. So I'm opening the notepad and I'm going to type some word here, and I'm going to copy this word to host machine. So host machine also Windows. So I'm going to copy here. Yes, it is successful. Next I'm going to copy from Windows host to Windows Server 2016 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So copy paste, that is share clipboard feature, is working fine between Windows Server 2016 virtual machine and Windows host. Now let me try drag and drop feature. So I'm going to drag and drop one file to Windows Server 2016 desktop. Yes, I can able to drag and drop. So you can see that one file is copied successfully to the Windows Server 2016 desktop. So everything is fine now. So share clipboard feature also working, that is copy paste feature also working, and drag and drop feature also working for Windows Server 2016 virtual machine. So Windows Server 2016 virtual machine installation on VMware Workstation 16 Pro is successful. Make sure that you have connected to internet and install the VMware tools for Windows.